Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Anker Soundcore Life Q30 noise cancelling headphones, available on Amazon for around $80. These over-ear headphones promise hybrid active noise cancellation, 40 hours battery life, and comfortable ear cushions for long listening sessions. Out of the box, the build feels sturdy with a sleek black finish. The ANC works well in moderately noisy environments, blocking out chatter and office sounds, though it struggles slightly with the deep bass rumble like subway trains. Sound quality is surprisingly good for price clear. Clear mind, the same bass, and crisp highs. The companion app lets you tweak EQ and switch between ANC, transparency, and normal modes. Battery life is impressive. After full charge, I got over 38 hours on medium volume. Comfort-wise, the memory foam pads don't press too hard on your ears, making them perfect for long flights or work sessions. The only minor downside is touch control, which can be a bit flinky at first, but overall, the Anker Soundcore Life Q30 deliver excellent value, especially for budget conscious audiophiles. And that's it.